Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on William account. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for William, and we get into this link over here. Now over here on the top right, we can see this option join. So let's tap on that. Now we need to enter our details here. So once you are done with all of the information, simply click on continue. Here we need to enter our details of account. So enter your username. You can simply create any username you want and enter the password. You can add a security question over here and add the answer in case you forgot your password. And we need to enter our currency of our choice, and you can select the deposit limit as well. Once you are done with all of the information, simply tick mark over here and click on agree and join in the button. Afterwards, we'll finally sign up on William interface. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.